Hello dear traders, you're watching a weekly review of the US stock market presented to you by Forex TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. The US stock index has closed the fourth consecutive week of gains fueled by the broad rally in energy prices and traders' concerns over further stimulus measures of the ECB. After Thursday's sell-offs, the market took a wait-and-see position ahead of tomorrow's meeting of the US Fed. The Nasdaq Composite Index closed at 4,748.47 points on Friday. Its weekly gain was 0.67%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose to the level of 17,213.31 points. For the week, the blue chip index managed to gain 1.2%. At the same time, the S&P 500 broke through the important level of 2,000 points and closed at 2,022.19. For the week, the benchmark index gained 1.1%. According to official data published Friday, the US Core Consumer Price Index, which excludes prices for food and energy, increased by 2.2% in January compared with the same period last year. This is the highest growth since June 2012, which means that the Fed has raised chances of a key interest rate hike in the coming months. Albeit US economic readings over the past months have helped raise investors' concerns that the country could be headed toward a recession. Investors are now focused on the two-day meeting of the US Federal Reserve, which will end tomorrow. On last Thursday, the ECB unexpectedly cut all the three interest rates and increased its monthly asset purchases to 80 billion euros. This news also encouraged investors. Shares of banks and technology companies showed growth during Friday's deals. In particular, the shares of Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs Group rose by 2.3% and 1.5% respectively, while the market capitalization of Netflix went up by 1.5%, with Amazon.com adding 1.3%. Meanwhile, worries about the global oil glut east driving up prices of crude and boosting shares of energy companies, which had been one of the market's trouble spots. The stocks of petroleum company Anadarko rose by 7.2% to $45.57 after Goldman Sachs raised its recommendation to buy. You have watched a weekly review of the US stock market on Forex TV channel with me, Kate Nedachina. Stay tuned with us.